Do you remember SciSpace? I already made some videos about this very good and interesting AI tool. As you can see here, the fastest research platform ever. So this AI tool is dedicated to researchers, students, scientists, or anyone that wants to search for very good and authoritative sources. In this video I want to talk about two big updates for SciSpace. The first one is Deep Review. The second one is called SciSpace Browser Control, but I will talk about it later because it's on a waiting list at the moment. Anyway, first of all, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you take a look in the description, you will find my special link for SciSpace with two different discount codes. I will talk about prices later, but with my discount codes you will be able to save some money. 20% on advanced monthly plan and 40% on advanced yearly plan. But now let's talk about Deep Review. When you are inside SciSpace, as you can see here in this first home page or here in the literature review, you can now find this new Deep Review button. This is only for advanced plan because this is a very advanced way of researching. Let's take a look at this image so you can better understand what we are talking about. State-of-the-art AI research agent. It's called Deep Review. It can do in-depth analysis on more than 1000 papers. It will do a reasoning before giving you the answer and the papers list. As you can see here, identifying filters specified in your query, breaking your query into sub-queries, finding relevant papers, reviewing citations and references, sorting papers by relevance, and so on. And it's 10 times more relevant than OpenAI and 2 times faster than OpenAI. So let's take a look at how it works. For the sake of this video, I will use one of these already made examples here. You can obviously search for whatever you want. I will choose this one, how does social media affect the college selection process, so I just need to click here in this case. You can obviously give other details if you want for your research, and this is the first step. So just after my question, I have this answer. To improve the query, please answer the following questions. Are you interested in how social media affects college selection for specific measures or field of study? Would you like to focus on the influence of specific social media platforms on the college selection process? I will choose the second one in this case, and let's go on. Okay, this is the next answer. I have enhanced the query with your inputs so you can submit directly or further make changes and submit. I just need to click on this Submit Now button and just wait for the process to go on. As you can see, it's working, it's reasoning, and this is the advantage of using Deep Review. It's searching for the top papers. It found 114 at the moment. This is the total number of papers in which it's searching, and as you can see here, it's executing multiple relevant queries to broaden the search, and these are the queries it's searching. We are now at 202 top papers. Here I have the percentage done, it's at 55% now. Now it's reviewing citations and references to identify additional relevant works. So you can see all the process step by step. It's sorting papers by relevance now, engaging in deep thinking on highly relevant papers. This is the total number of papers, and then I have the next step. So this is the research steps. This is the answer from the top 20 papers, but if you want you can also change it to 10 papers or 5 papers. If I click on read more, I can read it all. So here I have a summary of all the top papers and a very detailed answer for my query with very good and authoritative sources, obviously, and with different key points in this research. Then going down, I have all my details because I have all these papers. I can interact with all these papers with all these different commands here. I already showed you how to use them in my previous videos, so you can go and watch for them if you want. Obviously, I already showed you how to generate a podcast using these papers if you want. You can chat with these papers, but this is a great improvement because yes, you already had a chance to find the papers, but now with this new feature, with this new deep review, you are pretty sure to have the best of the best. So you will find the very good, very relevant, very authoritative sources. And then you can use these sources to generate an article if you need, or any other kind of content. If you click on one of these sources, you can go to the reference paper here and you can maybe open it up in another window and see all the details of this paper, the subtopics and so on. You can obviously interact with it, but again, these are all features you already had here in SciSpace. You can think of this deep review as an intelligent query enhancement because your query will be enhanced by AI, so your research will be the best it can be. You also have other advantages because your query will be refined, you will have citations, it will also find hidden and relevant papers, it knows exactly when to stop the research, when it found the most relevant papers, and all these papers are categorized for clarity, so the structure of these papers is the best you can think of. These are all the advantages by using deep review. Obviously, it's using the most advanced AI models, this is why you will need an advanced plan in order to use it. Before showing you plans and pricing and again my discount codes, I just want to show you another really interesting feature. It's coming soon here in SciSpace and it's called browser control. As you can see, you need to join the waitlist for now, and again you will find the link to join this waitlist here below in the description. You will be able to find the papers on other databases, for example Google Scholar, PubMed or Science Direct and more. You can also find an interesting, very quick video on the SciSpace channel, so you can better understand how this browser control will work if you want to watch for it on their channel. But again, this will come really soon. If you want to join the waitlist, you can find the link here in the description. And this will be another very good enhancement for SciSpace. Time to talk about plans and pricing for SciSpace. Obviously, you can try it for free with this basic plan. You obviously don't have the advanced features. Then you have the premium plan, and if you just need this one, please watch for my other videos because I have a special discount codes for this premium plan. In order to use the deep review, you need to have this advanced plan. It's newly launched, and here below again you can find my link and my discount codes specific for this advanced plan. The codes are ChrisDR20 for the monthly plan. You can have a 20% discount from this price, or if you prefer the yearly plan, you already have a default discount, but I also have another discount code. It's ChrisDR40, and this will give you a 40% discount on this advanced plan. If you are not sure if you like it, well, you can subscribe and you have 24 hours to see if you like it, to do some researches, and if you don't like it, you can have a 100% money back guarantee. So this is SciSpace with this pretty good and new deep review feature now. I hope you enjoyed this update video, and again please check in the description for all the links you need. And if you want to take a look at my previous videos about SciSpace so you can even better understand how it works, you can just click here. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next video.